Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I have a healthy and delicious recipe for you. Our materials: 1 medium broccoli, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes. I washed the broccoli. I'm separating it from the tiny. I put the broccoli I reserved in vinegar water. I'm adding my vinegar. I wait 20-25 minutes like this. I'm taking it aside like this. By the way, I chop my carrots and potatoes to be a little small. This way. I also cut the potatoes. I put half a tea glass of oil in my pan. I open my stove. I add my carrots when my oil warms up. Cooking my carrots a little. Adding my potatoes. I also cook my potatoes a little. I add broccoli. We mix lightly. I add half a tea glass of water. I add some salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. I'm confused like this. I'm closing the cover. I cook on low heat. Cooked, friends. In about 20 to 25 minutes. Cook by checking in the meantime. I'm closing gold. I take it on my serving plate. After it gets a little cold, I pour garlic yogurt on it. Very delicious recipe. Definitely try it. I sprinkle some chili peppers. Ready to serve. Good luck to the friends who will try. Please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. See you in new and practical recipes.